What's going on? My name's Tim, one of the founders here at Scary Good Marketing. And if you're watching this, you're watching the 31 days of Scary Good Marketing tips and tricks. And today, I want to talk about deep links. So for probably the majority of people, you probably have never really even heard of what a deep link is, don't even really understand what that means, but I'm really kind of surprised that a lot of people in the marketing community and just in business in general don't really know what deep linking is unless you do a lot of app design, you do a lot of coding and that kind of stuff, but you really want to be using deep links in your business. Primarily where you want to be using deep links is when you have your website and you are linking to your social media platforms. Now, why do you want to use a deep link versus just your regular link that you go and get? Well, one is a deep link. What it does is it forces that link to open wherever the social media platform is, whatever destination they're going to, in the app that they have installed on their phone. Because a lot of times, if you actually go to your website and click on a social media link that's on your website, sometimes it will open that link in the web browser. And if it does that, most people are not logged into their social media platforms on their web browser on their mobile device. And since you have so many people on mobile, that's really where the majority of your traffic is. So by having them go and having to log in on their mobile browser, they are really not going to do that, right? And what ends up happening is they're going to close the link down and they're really not going to go and pull up the app, go and search for you, and then like or subscribe or do whatever it is that you want them to do. And you're really missing a lot of opportunities when that happens. Now, we use deep links for all of our social platforms in a lot of different areas, not just in our website, but really anytime we want people to do something on social media, we're always using a deep link. Now, the company that we use to help us generate all of these deep links is called 𝗦𝗓𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗓𝗕. Now, they're a fantastic company. Their pricing is really, really good. And you can essentially, if you don't have a lot of traffic, you can pretty much use them for free based on the amount of traffic you're going to be sending with these links. But if you have to do a paid plan, they're really, really affordable. And you really want to pay to have that because you're able to force those links to open up the native application on somebody's phone, and you really want to do that because it creates a lot less friction for the end user, and you'll start to see a lot of your social media platforms and just everything grow a lot more because, like I said, whenever you click on one of those links, it doesn't necessarily always open that app. Sometimes it may open it in the web browser and people will just close out of it, and you've lost them as a new subscriber or somebody liking your Facebook page or Instagram, whatever it is. So really take a look into this. This is something that we've been using pretty much since the beginning of our agency, and it's something that we recommend a lot of our clients to use. And like I said, 𝗦𝗓𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗓𝗕 just works really, really well. I'll leave a link in the description below to check them out and really see how well these deep links work. So that's pretty much it for today. Make sure that you come back here tomorrow to see our next marketing tip and trick.